Let us see how we can check the errors in the bot flow. So while I was checking the messages that were being sent by the bot, as you can see here, so the basic bot sent this reply to the user, and then the next message got failed. So to analyze what happened here, I need to first go to the bot builder, and in my bot flow I can see that are you a free or paid user has it's a list message with certain list items. So I'll simply go to the bot builder and then click on this red icon. This is basically the error log. Now in the error log I can read that the button label is required is an error, and the error or issue is with step ID 5. I simply click on this and then I click on this and I need to correct this. So I have not entered any button text here, so I need to enter it and then save again. So I have also not entered any section title, even this is mandatory. So what happens is, if you have any bot errors, or if you see that your bot has stopped working, or in between the flow, you can simply check the error log and try to figure out what is the error with which particular ID, or node ID, and then you can correct the mistake. Thank you.